And this document basically acts as an estoppel. It stops the Ministry of Lands, the Nairobi City, County, and others who, under the pretense they want to do slum upgrading at Mariguini slums, very close to Mata Hospital, right? That they cannot proceed and do so because they had already issued a 21-day notice for 2,500 residents of Mariguini slum to vacate. I want to tell them to abide by the court order which stops them from carrying out this evacuation. In any event, the decree is very clear that they should involve the residents of Mariguini slum in discussions on how best to do the slum upgrading. Rais William Ruto alikuwa Kiambu. Badala ya kwenda kuabudu, alifanya mimi ni subject. Aninashambulia mimi, anasema mahali netokako hakuna barabara, nimekuwa kwa uongozi miaka 50 hata hajui kufanya hesabu. 40 years, not 50 years. That means 40 years of serious experience. Nikiwa vice president, I launched the construction. Kapeleka contractor by the name Simo Haindro. Ataka Ruto akanushe kwamba Sino Haindro. It's a Chinese contractor whom I launched to construct the road from Kibwezi to Mutomo to Kitui to Mwingi to Sekuru to Maua, na hiyo barabara ina link Ethiopia with Mombasa.